In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block text messages from someone on a Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app and let's say someone bothering you with their messages and you would like to block that user. All you have to do is just get into a conversation with that user. Then just tap right here at the very top at contact's name or where it is showing the phone number. After that, tap at info, and that's where you can easily find block this caller. Once you tap on it, it will say that you will not receive phone calls, messages or FaceTime from people on the block list. To block that contact, tap at that button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.